How to merge videos in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up the Canva application. Now select video on the home page. Now select the kind of video you want to edit. I will select video 1080p. Again wait for some time. Now tap on the camera icon next to gallery. Now select the first video and tap on add to page. Now scroll to the right. Now tap on the plus icon, tap on the cross icon and select gallery again. Now select other video, again tap on add to page. Now tap on the export icon at the top right corner. Now tap on download, again tap on download. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.